In this video tutorial, I'm going to share it to you on how you can install the Japanese keyboard on your Windows 11. So let's get started. Click on the Start button, click on the Settings icon. Then you have to click on Time and Language in the left pane. Click on Language and Region. So I have already added the Japanese language. So in your case, you have to click on Add a Language and search for Japanese. Then click on that and click on the Next button. After doing so, this will looks like this. So this will be downloading or installing for the basic typing, handwriting, and text to speech. So once this is done, then you have to close the settings window. And then on the taskbar, you will find the option which is your language or the switch input methods. You can also press Windows key and space key together. Okay. And then here you have to simply choose Japanese. And then once you choose Japanese, you will notice this letter A symbol. So you have to right click on it to open the IME options. And then here you can find this IME pad. Okay. So let's open Notepad of our Windows. And then here, okay, you can use this. Okay. For handwriting. Okay. You can also choose any of these fonts from here. Okay. So that's it. But you have to make sure that everything from here, time and language, and then language and region, everything right here is installed or downloaded from here so that you can use your keyboard for basic typing, handwriting, and text to speech. So that's it. I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.